of Ocean Tomo. Thank you for the curiosity to spend a few minutes to hear my case for intellectual property markets and techno-globalism. The book I am writing will present as a baseline the historical use of patents as a tool for economic development. I will briefly describe how patents were first used in Europe and then in the United States to encourage investment in needed industry, regardless of actual inventorship. Patents as a tool within business has also evolved from being largely defensive to a separable asset with its own revenue stream. Relying on the Ocean Tomo Intangible Asset Market Value Study, I will document the growth of intangible assets as now representing the majority of public market capitalization. Indeed, since my career began, intangible assets have grown from about 20% of company value to more than 90%, according to our most recent analysis. The growth of intangible value was not lost on advisors, lawyers, and bankers. We have seen a rebirth of the patent troll, an expansion of patent litigation funding to support not only private investors, but also non-practicing institutions such as universities. The second part of the book will chronicle the rise of these intermediaries who support this activity. It will also describe early attempts to create a marketplace for intellectual property, including public auctions, equity indexes, and a formal intellectual property exchange. These two early sections of the book provide a foundation for what I see as the framework for a modern global IP market ecosystem. Much of the insight I share originated through my role as president of the Licensing Executive Society International and the opportunity to visit firsthand more than 20 countries around the world, meeting with leading IP professionals as well as government officials. I will present what I see as the blueprint for an IP ecosystem, both for commercial and humanitarian objectives. Central to this effort will be a sophisticated AI-generated metrics of patent use and quality. These tools will help to inform the market for direct patent sale, now best exemplified by our own OceanTomoBidAsk.com, as well as the next generation IP exchange, which I believe will be built on blockchain with cryptocurrency as a liquidity catalyst. I will touch on the role that I expect standards to provide, including those being developed today by the Standards Development Organization of LES USA and Canada, Inc., as well as reporting standards for IP valuation already in place in Asian markets. I will describe the connection between such market-driven reporting options and formal plans for national IP-based economic development, which have already been posted around the globe. Finally, the last part of the book will describe growing techno-nationalism, with the COVID-19 vaccine being an example. I will share concerns over a linear evolution of national IP economic development goals, extending to sovereign wealth patent funds. I will explain why I believe that an efficient global IP market will foster a greater platform for techno-globalism, and why this is ultimately beneficial to address global challenges such as climate change, as well as regional challenges of clean water and adequate food. I'm looking forward to this project and welcome your input and collaboration. Thank you.